Here we are back at the Streamline. It's been roughly 15 years since this project was started. This past month I worked on getting something done with the wood and the cabinets and all the stuff that had happened the way it had become a storage unit, which is not what I wanted at all. So last time we looked at this, everything was painted. And yeah, the aluminum walls are fabulous and not perfect. And right now they're not going to be perfect. But we've got all the cabinet doors and the closet doors and the drawers sanded and coated. And I'll comment about what finish I used on those doors. Currently, this is all happening off-grid, so everything is happening with solar-powered batteries for the most part. And a lot of, DeWalt. Eventually, that dream anyways, this will be a working art and writing studio. In the middle of nowhere. Maybe you'll come and take part. Nothing really fabulous going on here. This is not a deluxe $70,000 restoration project, as you can see. But the very cool aluminum features, the pretty birch, I think it's birch, doors. Those were a real pain because once they were stripped, like you can see this spot here where the veneer peeled. I ended up doing a lot of gluing to put that veneer back flush for the most part. No snags. Yeah, but you can also see like there's a lot of, I don't know, there's some technical term for the way this metal degrades like this. It looks very organic, don't it? Yeah, and you can see where I didn't actually finish doing all the stripping and wiping down, but my goal this summer was to get these cabinet doors back up, get the junk out of here, and sorry about that spin, begin to make this a usable space instead of a collect-all. And there you have it. Up here in the middle of nowhere, an old Streamline.